Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So I got a bunch of stuff in the mail today. Some stuff for some UV resin, some stuff from AliExpress, and I'm going to quickly show you that before I get into the bead boxes that I got. So I got some little snowflake, I don't know if you can see that, snowflake molds for making little snowflakes to do resin inclusions, some little flowers. The one thing I did get, and I didn't realize how small they were, was these little things because I wanted to make little bunny earrings and I was going to use these as bunny ears, but those are kind of small. I got some hair clips. We're going to be doing, we'll be doing a video with hair clips. I got some leaf beads, some more resin molds, some bead caps because I needed some more bead caps in gold, so I got some of those. Some more cup chain in silver, and where's my other cup chain? Yeah, so I got silver and gold AB. So just a few little things, but the big exciting thing that I got in today is my curated bead box. And I'm so excited this month because it's purple. And so it's Regal Royals. So we're going to open this together. And I'm really excited to see all the pretty, pretty, pretty beads. And look at all that glorious purple. My favorite color in the whole world. As you can tell, I'm super excited. So we're going to go through this one at a time here. So the first one, we have 10 millimeter lilac pearl glass beads. These are just so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think I'm keeping all of this jewelry I make with this for me. Next, we have 10 millimeter purple crackle frosted glass beads. Look at that. Okay. We are going to have to get a tray out. We're going to have to start. I'm probably going to have all of the jewelry made before my other box comes in. It's Friday. So, yeah. So I am actually going to be posting this literally tomorrow. So I'm actually going to defer one of the videos that I've already created and put this one out because I'm loving these beads and I can't wait to get started. These are so pretty. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh, these are so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm very excited. Next, we have 10 millimeter white opaque gemstone beads. And those are very, very pretty. And you can tell those are real gemstones. They're ice cold. The difference between plastic, glass, and stone. So if you feel them, when you first pick them up, plastic will be room temperature, glass will be slightly cooler, and stone will be very, very, very cold to the touch. And then we have 8 millimeter lapis lazuli gemstones. I love lapis. I love these colors together. Oh my gosh. They did really, really well this month. Kudos to Curated Bead Box. Oh, that is going to be so pretty. I'm already getting ideas. Right there. Right there is a... Oh, my goodness. Ugh. Next, we have 6 millimeter purple spot marble style glass beads. We've gotten these before. They're pretty. They're very bright compared to the muted tones here. I mean, they go really, really well. I love these beads. Don't get me wrong. I'm just thinking I've got deep, dark, a lighter value, and some white. But these are so bright. I don't know where. I mean, I could put them with those, I guess. So, yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving this. Loving this month. Good job. Good job, Curated Bead Box. All right, next we have 6mm dark purple glass style beads. So these are the darker purple beads. And I do have some of these in my stash too. I really like them. Woo. I'm loving these colors together. And I like how there's just a little bit of white right now in there, and the rest are all purple and deep, deep blues, because that gives me the white as a pop of color. All right, next we have 6mm white semi-opaque glass beads. And there's some more white. Oh, can I undo the knot? No. I'm going to put these in here just because I'm going to keep these separate. Don't know why, I just want to keep those separate. Next, we have 1 ounce Regal Designer glass bead mix. And I'm assuming that's what this is. And so we've gotten these before. And actually, I'm going to move these beads into this little spot down here. We're just going to use my spoon. So I have what I call my beading spoons. They're these little spoons. They're great for scooping up beads and moving them. Those are pretty. Those pinky color go well in there. That would add an actual pop of color. We might actually use some of these this month. Next we have 12mm Blue Moon Galaxy glass beads. And there are 6 of them. And so that's these right here. So these are the, when you look at them this way, they look clear. So like if you look at them like straight on, they look clear. But on the side, they're bluish. I like those. Next, we have 14 by 10 milky white glass oval beads. And I like these. I've done some jewelry with these before. We've gotten these before from the Curated Bead Box. I'm going to set those there. Next, we have 12 by 6 silver column metal spacer beads. And we've gotten these before. Little different variation. I've gotten some of these in various boxes. Those are pretty. Hi, baby. Every time I get the camera out. Every time. Really? Really? There you go. All right. Then we have 12mm maroon cloisonne beads. Cloisonne. I don't know how to pronounce that. Cloisonne, I guess you want to call them. These are very pretty beads. These are just beautiful. They've got little flowers, little flower pattern on it. They're not all the same, but they're very pretty. I'm going to set those in here with the silver. And then we have 6mm silver metal spacer beads, approximately 30. And I'm running out of space. These are these little little flower style spacer beads. I can set those in there. That actually goes well with the white. And then lastly, we have a silver metal pendant. Now, I saw this on the cover, and it almost reminds me of a peacock feather. And I thought what would be really cool is, well, we could put beads in there, but I thought would be really cool is maybe doing something with like a resin, and I've got a ring here, but I mean like something like that with like resin pendant or a resin something, and maybe not with the gold, but obviously something resin, you know, a resin color coming through in purples. So like I made these earrings, and it's got flowers in it, and maybe doing something with, you know, sticking this down to some tape and putting some resin, some purple resin, and then some flowers, and then, yeah, so we might play with that. Just something. We're gonna play with that because we're gonna embellish this. So yeah, I'm loving that. And then of course, as always, you get your usual. I've got some memory wire there, some bead-alon, head pins, jump rings. I always throw away the elastic. I never use it. Some crimp beads, ear wires, and lobster claws. Oh yeah, I'm just really liking even the cloisonne beads with so like the cloisonne with that purple is too much, but like if I were to do something like that, that would be really pretty with you know, with the I don't know if I do the purple, the light purple there, but you could do something like that. I mean, I'm already getting ideas here, just playing with patterns. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. I've got a few things to do, but seeing that I keep promising, I'm going to insert at the end of the video picture of my display for farmers market, and then I'm also going to put, you probably already saw it if you're this far into the video, I'm going to put, I put in a video of the new foster bunny. His name is Charlie. So yeah, I'm going to give you a close-up of a few of these beads on the camera, just because, I mean, those are absolutely, and I'm going to bring the camera down a little bit so we get some more light on it, but these are absolutely just gorgeous. I mean, I love this. I think these beads together, even that bright purple, you know, it's just, they're just so pretty. I don't know. I mean, I like just these four together. I may make a necklace just using that, and I don't know if we want silver or gold. I think silver would probably go best with it. Again, cloisonne, I don't know, because it's more brown. That's more brown, but I love this. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the pictures of the bunny and the pictures of my my display. I will probably be doing a video coming up. I need to start designing my display for one of my craft fairs where I'm going to have a 16-foot long area. So it's just two tables, two 8-foot tables. I'm not going to use one of the tables. I'm going to use some of my displays, but I have to design it so that I have 16 linear feet. So I'll be probably doing a video on that coming up, just to kind of show you, you know, give you some ideas on how you can design your displays around the show and still use the same displays, just in different ways. So anyways, I'm loving this. I need to do a couple things, and then I think I'm probably going to get started on doing some beading, because I'm just like head over heels in love with this collection. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.